Okay. Hello. How was the morning time? See. I took one trade last night to make sure I locked in a motherfucking 4K payout. And I took it off so I can't trade it today. So at 6 p.m. I'll be able to cash out. Okay, we're live for everything. Let me just get TikTok and then we Gucci. You guys trade in the morning time? Looks like there might be a short soon. Can't tell. It's a little bit weird. All things. Pretty flat. Okay, so I didn't miss anything. Cat Gaming. I messaged you yesterday, bro. Fuck is this? Oh. Out of here. I gave away a 50K flex account yesterday. Why does this gotta give me a no camera? Morsi won. Yes, he did. Low grind yogurt. You think so? Well, you weren't there, Scat, to put you in. I'm gonna try to post a
Awareness is awakening within the masses on this planet. When you are aware, you can tune into the different frequencies, remember who you are, and change the vibratory rate of this universe, and create.
It might be a short here. This looks real sketch. I don't think so though. I think it's gotta blow this top. Yeah, I was like, you know what? I feel bad Scott's not here. I'm gonna fucking message him. Uh, just the video vibe that I feel. No theory. Trump market, baby. I think I'm gonna do my times for 10:30 a.m. on the days that I work. I feel like I can do it. That's like a better time for me. Brian. I mean, I went to bed at 5, like exactly. Sorry, I'm just trying to see if I can post a TikTok video before I go on. I'll just post highlights or some shit. Some people are saying they're getting a lot of more buzz doing that. But then I feel like I don't want my videos to be crowded with bullshit.
Awareness is awakening within the masses on this planet. When you are aware, you can tune into the different frequencies, remember who you are, and change the vibratory rate of this universe and create. Awareness is awakening within the masses on this planet. When you are aware, you can tune into the different frequencies, remember who.
Maybe it'll help. We'll see. All the small things. Maybe we have to go to a 30-second chart because I don't see shit. I know. It was. I don't want to be like stupid, you know, and fucking getting something that's not ready. All right, might get a little scalpy long here. Scalping because I'm on a 30-second chart. I know. I'll be going long at 158, and it's literally gonna be quick, guys. So if it does fill, let's see. I'm only gonna do 2. You might want lower though. Let's see. Might want lower.
Daddy, chill.
I don't know if I trust the long game yet. Is the long game trustworthy today or no? Play some good shit. This is fucking good. Oh, I missed this one. Going in long now. 152s. I'm literally taking it quick. I don't know if I want to do 182 or 173. You guys been trading it in the morning. Has it been shitty? I'll do 174. We shouldn't have done 2 actually because it's so. I got to build a buffer. Seagate? What's Seagate? Good shit. Like, okay. I gotta switch back and forth, bro. Mr. Jaws. This looks great. I want to go 2. More. Just can't find the sell key. There you go. A little more, daddy. If it's a meme coin, I'm not interested. Sorry, brother. Hey, if you can, tap that screen. Tap that screen. Woo! Quick little 200. Oh, yes, I got approved. I asked for 5 accounts. And I said, if it's too much, just please give me what I'm allowed. And they gave me 2 flex accounts. So I gave away 1 yesterday. And maybe Friday I'll give away another one. I'll do it Friday. I don't know. Thursday or Friday. What is today? Wednesday? We'll see. Damn, this thing ripped up. That could have been a fucking $1,000 move. $1,000 move. I'm on a 30-second chart because Yogurt saying it might be a weird market today. How do you guys think the market is so far? And I feel like my the days that I work, I'm gonna try more for 10:30. I put 10 today, like I'm an idiot, but I'm gonna put 10:30 for the rest. All right. Let's see. At the open. At the open. See what I would have did at the open. Let me just make sure my buy alerts are on. I was messing around with it. Should have it. Okay. So no buys? 30 seconds. Okay. Let's see. 9:30. You gotta wait for like the first candle. We might have gotten this short. I don't know. And then another buy. Those things are fucking fire. There's another short right here, but I don't know if I trust it. The moves are really wonky. So I'm like, my man Daily. Oh, you were trying to short the whole time? Yeah, the continuation plays have been confusing. He's giving me another green up. All right, we'll do a scalpy green. 205 is my target. Dead ass, like I'm scalping. She says bull. Ooh, fat lip. He says, she says. You booked you got your damn. See? That's why I messaged you yesterday. What happened? There was a bad storm, Daily? Dude, did that just miss me by a centimeter? I'm gonna close it just in case.
Daddy?
20
Daddy?
bucks.
Is that you? Is that you?
Kobe Taylor.
Thanks for the follow and welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Dude, you trade one micro. And honestly, yesterday, we stopped trying to get the bigger move. Wow, this thing is just ripping, though, in the way that I want. I stopped trying to get the bigger move yesterday, and I was just taking the profit early. Because we were spinning our wheels, and I ended up making like 3K like that. Just being simple stupid. Yogurt says, yeah, shorts are scary today. I have a long bias. Okay, good to know. Good to know, because it does look like a slow grind. And, dude, we're above 24.2 again? What the fuck happened to 23K? What did the news say? Let's make sure there is no news, too, coming. Chainsaw what? There's a big meeting today at 1:30. Oh, he's gonna speak? There's a couple feds I see. Trump raises NATO withdrawal as allies push back in Iran war. Dude, gas is ripping up. I saw the other day. I was like, holy shit. How do you guys feel about that? This could actually, in the area of 324s, we could start getting real bearish again for Nasdaq. It's been rejecting these areas by like 438s. And I kind of said this like a week ago. I don't know, like whatever this started coming down, I said we can come back up, retest, and that's when our real short begins. So unfortunately something bad will happen. Bad news. Billionaire. We've been trying to confirm that, and there's like the evidence isn't there. I mean, it's there, but it's like it's not enough. Oh, FRMI? Actually, I don't know. I thought you were talking about the other one. What's the other one? It's like world something dollar. Oh, they did an island shutdown? That sucks. Do people have generators out there? How about that was called. You know, like one of those portable electric ones that are like $250? Just to hook your computer up to. And what kind of internet do you guys got out there? I'm wondering if Starlink will be great out there. It's gonna fucking fall, huh? I have to trade to 30 seconds. Welcome to the dungeon, baby.
Daddy, chill.
Might get a little long here, but I'm telling you, I'm scalping today, guys. Unless I see a really large move, then we get an area, then I'll do the longer hold. But I really, truly think the scalps are probably the best until we can get a better picture of a long run. What's up, Finn? So just to update you guys, my two funded, I made $150 on it. I've already locked it out. Trading it. Tonight at 6 p.m. I should be able to get another $4,000 withdrawal. So, Daddy's been cooking on those. And I want to play it safe. I want to play it safe. Ah. What's up, Sad? You got to stay with Daddy, bro. Well, you got the indicators now. I'm going to tell you this. Really focus on these bully blocks. Learn it. Learn it. We don't really do memes coins over here, billionaire. But you got, I'm telling you, you got this, man. You're there, I can smell it. Damn, I missed that long. Perfect. AI infrastructure. 189s. Yeah, I tried to get in there, and I got distracted. Damn it. Damn it. Maverick, you are going to be disappointed in me. I got rewarded for doing stupid things. Did you bust your count? What's up, man? Thanks for the rose.
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at that fucking smile on my face.
Oh, it did, baby. Damn it. That would have been a real good one. So I'm on the 30-second chart because I don't know if I trust all this. Even though it looked pretty good there. Nice. So you got it. Good job, Sad. That was a good one. I literally said I'm going to go long here, and I didn't. He tripled down. Hey, you're green, right? Let's go hit 261. I'm more of a 6-7. You shut your mouth, bully bear. Might be long here at 189s again. Not good, Maverick. I agree. If you're unsure about it, you can at least like go in small and then add to it. They are. Yeah, they're fucking wild. Thing wants to rip up, it looks like. Do 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 do. So I think I'll do like still decide if I should do it Friday. I don't even know what today is, man. I think today's Wednesday. I'm gonna work Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So I work the rest of the week. Yeah, it could. But look at the daily. Look where we are. We're about to find out soon. I would say max 450. I mean, it's 300 points, though. That could be a lot for a day trader. Today, I kind of want to give everybody like a fair shot here. Project X is goated. It is pretty good. I do like Project X. How about Tradecy? Tradecy is supposed to be better, but oh, Maverick just asked me that. I did use it, but it was still in beta, and it was still good. Very fast, very fucking fast. It's got a copy trader in there. And supposedly you can make your AI. You can do AI. Yeah, I did. I said I asked for I asked for 5 accounts, and they gave me 2 flex accounts. I'm assuming I get 2 flex accounts a week. So I did one yesterday, and now I'm deciding what day to do it.
Kuwait says it has extinguished a fire that erupted in fuel tanks at Kuwait
Yeah,
airport.
2 a week ain't bad. I mean, it's still like fucking a couple $100. But anybody use the new Tradecy after the beta? I used it once. It worked really well. They supposedly have an amazing copy trader. But I need my indicators.
JP Morgan forecasts only one Bank of England rate hike this year after the interview with Bank of England's Governor Bailey rate hike expectations.
I'm gonna decide when to do it. I don't think I'm gonna do it today though, bro. Either Thursday or Friday. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of time to sign up. If you guys miss it, it's on your ass. Thinking maybe Friday. This will last forever. And maybe I could do it for lunchtime. Or I could save it for next Monday. No. Exactly, Dad. They have a... What's it called? You can create indicators in there. But it was nothing great. Who, me? Make up my mind? I don't know, bro. I just fucking woke up. I gotta figure out. I worked the rest of the week, so I'm like trying to think. I'm trying to think what's a great day for it. You are here every day, so you got nothing to worry there, Mr. Bastard. Yeah, they were saying that you can, but I couldn't figure it out. They're saying you could just paste your code on there. The Bully Bunny gift? That's true, right? Easter giveaway. Easter giveaway. I'm just trying to figure out what time to do it for Friday. Like, do you think it would be better to do it earlier or just do it at like 3 p.m. again or something. Yeah, but no, I asked it, Mr. Dad, and it said if you want to, you could just edit and paste your code in there. I couldn't even find the button. But again, that was in beta, so I don't know if they fixed it or what. You can they have a Tradecy Discord. You can go in there and ask. Mr. Bastard. Dude, I thought you were gonna win. I didn't know that war was gonna go on yesterday. Yo, they did a crazy like battle between coins at the end. Each one had over 1,000 coins that they gave me. I don't know, man. They did a frenzy yesterday, Daily. There's Jordan. I kind of felt bad for Jordan. Jordan's like, Jordan dead ass straight. He's like, please don't let that other person win. I didn't even want to do this. It kind of made me giggle. I only made $10, so don't think I got $1 million. Okay, so this might grind up, guys. I don't see this being anything fantastic here. I have to go to the 30 seconds, see if it pulls back, and then we'll long it. Morrissey said, well, worth the $10 entertainment. Yeah, for you. Yeah, I didn't get anything. I think it's way more than like 50%. Oh, damn. You see this thing? All right, do we long this? I'm going to go in two.
Disconnected.
Too long. I don't know where my TP is yet. We definitely broke that top. Now I went long. I'm getting pullbacks in the 30-second chart. There you go, Daddy. What's next? For like levels. 310s? Shit. We'll see. We'll see. Looks pretty grindy. Silver? I can't trade silver in Apex. I don't really trade it. Look at this curl on oil. Looks like it's going to go back up. So I passed a gas station today, and gas was $4.30. Holy shit. 288 and higher. That's what I'm thinking. Cue me. For once, my electric car seems like it was a good move right now. It's been like $15 to fill.
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
Thanks for the
They say
gift.
money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking
What
smile.
is that, a
on my
hot
face.
bun you gave me? A hot cross bun? Thank you. Yeah, I'm trading Nasdaq. I'm in a long right now, so I don't want to switch over. Actually, I kind of feel like taking TP here. And then I'll buy again on the little pullback. Antonio. Oh, per liter though, right? We do by gallon. So yours is probably like what, $6? If you do it the gallons? How many liters are in a gallon? Antonio. What's up, turtles? Is that my pullback? Not shit. I would say around 258. I could get back in maybe. There is another spot of like 242s. Oh, 3.78 liters, while UK is... What the frick? Wouldn't it be the same? Whatever. And you said it was how much? So it's times 3. Missed it. Where did you say how much it cost you? $2. So you're around like $6, $7. Yo, Antonio, you're like an AI bot, you psycho. The way you just answered that so quick. There we go. Here's that pullback. Valid. Just taking it easy today. Not going too crazy. We're going to scalp these because you know how it's been, bro. You did, Antonio. You did. Oh, we got our fucking fair value gap. Shadow bullies always wins. Market has no chance. Let's go. Hit that follow button. Catch, yeah, I just got on at 10:30.
With the S&P now up 1%.
I'm going long, I think. I'm going to take a little bit of a gamble here. If it breaks one of these highs, we Gucci. Go to 30-second. It needed to go a little bit lower in the 30, but it's okay. Break of 273 should really send this. We got a couple wicks here. There you go. Come on.
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at that. They say money can't buy happiness.
Smile, baby. Look at that smile. Thank you for the heart. Thank you for the heart. I love TikTok. Gotta make sure they hear me that. I love TikTok. On a count of 3, everybody type in I love TikTok. They don't put me in jail, all right? 1,
They say
2,
money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my
3.
face.
I love TikTok. Look at the numbers shoot up now. Like, oh wow, this guy really loves TikTok. Let's get him some more views. Let's not put him in jail. Oh man, that was pretty quick. Be careful. Thing is really whippy. I love TikTok shop. I ain't saying I love crypto right now. It's in a
They
dungeon
say money
right
can't
now.
buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile
TikTok,
on my face.
you're going to
They
an
say money can't
effing
buy happiness.
dungeon.
Look at the fucking smile on my face.
Daily!
Voice news
The
disconnected.
2 GOAT gifts. Thank you so much. I love TikTok. There you go, Shadow.
Daddy, is that you? And he said, thanks for the follow, and welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Daddy? Is that you? Aaron, welcome to
They
the
say
show,
money can't buy
Daddy.
happiness. Look at that on my face.
Jordan, thanks for the rose.
Daddy, chill.
Daddy, is that you? Antonio, are you my dad? There's our buys. Need to start making new highs here soon. Need to start making some new highs. Looks pretty good. We get this little break here. We should go. Oh my God, we're back to 75. It's been a while. I love TikTok. I cracked myself up. My news keeps turning off. I mean, I don't know why. I don't see it planned. There's a BOC meeting in minutes. I believe that's about the interest rate at 1:30. Or no, what time is that at? April 1st. We had a PMI.
Nasdaq 100 extending gains to 1.5% now.
How come they didn't release the data on it? Did they not release it at 10? My daddy gave me a name. Iran would welcome Russia as a mediator. Okay. That's a weird one. Did we not give the data out? Weird. Did I miss something?
CBOE volatility index
Is
slips
that
to
you?
9-day low, last down 1.5 points to 23.77.
Think it goes up or no? I don't want to make this a losing trade. As it goes to negative $3. Just be careful. I probably should have took it up here. My daddy gave me a name. 1700 in Netherlands. All right, we're at the 61. If this starts cracking, be careful. Yeah, see, I gotta go back to my taking early, bro. Looks good to go back up though. There you go. I'm gonna take it at 278. Come on, come on. All right, another $100. Another $100.
Maersk says from Monday, it's
You
6th
and
of
Lee.
April, reefer cargo
Welcome to the show,
bookings will
Daddy.
be accepted from Oman, Salah and Soha, and UAE core.
It just looks like a slow grind, bro. I don't know, Valid.
Daddy, chill.
Thanks for the rose, Jordan. Appreciate it. I love TikTok. My daddy gave me a name. It was Bully Bears. He said that you would be great. And then he walked away. He said, I won't take your money. We love Bully. We love TikTok.
Daddy, chill.
If you guys are wondering, I've been in TikTok jail. This is getting real sketch. What you guys think? It's curling too much. It's not ripping up. Could this be the short time? Don't know. We have to see and wait. Daddy. Might want to come back and retouch this level 250s. Guys, tap that screen. Give me 10 more likes. 10 more likes. 10 more likes. Keep me out of TikTok jail. Tap that screen 10 times. Keep me out of jail. You know, oil's been a little B to me. Because I got burnt the other day really bad. Oil was like ripping up. I was waiting to short Nasdaq. I was in a short and it just kept going up with it, so it threw me off. Threw me off. Back on me, I won't be ignored. This is NQ. There. Now. Na, 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 na. I won't be ignored. Ooh, there's a second anchor. Uh-oh. Just be careful with this fair value gap down here. This feels like this was the OG of that move. See what the 5's doing. I love TikTok. Hey, do you guys like the white and red candles better? I don't know what I want in life. I might be changing it. The white versus blood. Texas Brown said no. All right. What color should I do? Just give me my 311s. Oof. I thought that too. It is looking a little weak. What should I do, Texas? What colors?
Musk's SpaceX has filed confidentiality for IPO.
Trade slow. Don't panic. You got funded for a reason. Continue what you were doing. I like the different colors that warn us to get out. Oh, I have that. I have that on. It's still there. Just the in-between colors I was trying to change. brown and yellow, like
Wanted
duty
to
brown,
access
Mr.
reporter,
Dad.
just citing what's kind of already been said that the US and Iran are discussing ceasefire for opening strait, according to officials.
Yes, Tom, that's exactly what you do.
So it's just
Mr. Dad
the
said
article
Duty Brown.
from the Access reporter.
Pink and baby blue. Ooh, I like it. Yellow. I want to stay away from yellow. Because gold and yellow and orange is. I want to keep those somehow. Those are when the market's really overbought or oversold. Thanks, Daily. Because those are my other candle colors. Black and white. Black and yellow, black and yellow. You know what? If I do black...
Money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
If I do black, Mr. Bassett, then I need a white screen in the background, and it just kind of like hurts my eyes. Like, you want to see how bright a background color is? I'm like...
We have put that article on the feed for you to read through. Again, just more detail from what was earlier said. You had 3 US officials that
Was that dramatic?
The deal can be reached, and discussions are taking place about possible ceasefire between the US and Iran in return.
I just made myself giggle. Did that scare anybody? It scared myself. You want to play AC/DC? This is a great song. Been a while. I could do smoke gray. I kind of want to keep my background this, but we could try that. Let's see what it looks like. Let's see. I'm only doing this for you guys.
Choppy trading. 10-year yields last down 1.4 basis points at around 4.297%.
Gray. I don't know if I like that. I like the black. And then let's do what'd you say, baby blue? What'd you say, I'm waiting for a movement, guys. I'm not ignoring the market. Pink and baby blue. Baby blue. What's baby blue, though? This one? And then pink. Ooh. I feel like it's matching in with my purple, though. What time do you go live? The days that I'm off, I'll be live for 9:30. The days that I work, which is the rest of the week, would be around 10:30, I'm thinking. Ooh, this was a short. But where does it go? Where does it go? We're already at the 61%. The movement is so stupidly slow that I don't know. I feel like I'm watching like Skittles again now. So you're saying this isn't baby blue? Am I colorblind? Which one is it? This one? This one? Baby blue? I like that one. Yeah, see, that looks confusing.
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
So many colors. Whatever. Stay in that color until I fix it. Blue red was cool. Did it look confusing though at all? Old colors were good and easy to see. What, the red and white? I'm gonna short this.
Ayatollah Mustafa Khomeini on X says that they're going to continue supporting resistance against the Zionist US enemy.
Let me get a dump. One out. Don't change the colors. Skittles. That's how what I feel like I was looking at. Too late. Yeah, that was very quick. These are hard, guys. If I go to a higher time frame, I feel like I'm gonna lose money. I'll try to give it out better that time. I was trying to switch my candles a little bit.
Iran's Tasnim Insights Deputy Information
Oh
Officer
yeah, I forgot to
President
try
Office
your
says
brown.
stance on war is unchanged, and we continue to defend the
That
nation.
ain't brown, bro. It's yellow. Am I colorblind? Where's your brown? Oh, they don't have brown? Why not? We got another freaking long here, guys, on the 1 minute. All right, we're going to try just two, but I'm going to scalp this one quick. I'm not too confident in it. Wow, that was quick. I don't know if you guys are able to follow these. They're very
Getting
fast.
reports here to the Atlantic. Plenty of people familiar with that. US military officials planning.
I'm just
potential
bouncing
ground
back and
assaults
forth
inside
here.
Iran, including targeting cargo and seizing uranium sites.
Yeah, the market's chopping so much. I can't hold it long, and I might have fucked this one up too. I'm just taking quick hits, baby. I was saying brown like poop because of the market, but I did yellow as a bat, and the light blue as green. I think the yellow with red wicks are nice. They are pretty nice. I don't
Also
want it
from
to
the
look too
report,
skittly
several
though.
operations would require approval from Trump and would involve deploying troops on Iranian territory. Those familiar with the option said putting US troops inside Iran would rank among the most dangerous missions of Trump's presidency and warned their operations would not necessarily end war quickly or secure broader objectives such as regime collapse or reopening
I
Hormuz.
added one more. It could go sour, but I think we're good for a little bit here.
MSC says from the 1st of May 2026 until further notice, EFS will be applicable to all cargo and trades from Asia to the USA and Canada.
It's a tad bit dumpish, so just be careful. But we're bouncing off my bully blocks again, it looks like. So long, and then we'll look for a quick scalp at 271s. Hopefully this hold, I got in a little early on this second one. We do have a level down here. Needs to rip back up like yesterday. Come on. That's what I'm nervous of, Mr. Bastard. We're going to keep an eye on this really close. Just need a little... We got a nice wick here. Candle. Boom. All right. Very good. I want to go in again. We're in 6. A little heavy, but we're going to scalp this bad boy. We'll get out 2 at 269s. Come on. Don't do that to me. Dude, how you going to miss me by a point? Shit. Careful, guys. Did not work out the way I wanted it to. It should have got me, and it didn't. What do they do, Mr. Dad? I never used them. I might try them out, Cloud. I guess they're really good, huh? I see all these ranking systems, and they're pretty good. Dude, come on. Ugh! Just like that. $200. You could dump. I'm trading Nasdaq. I got one more level here. If it can't hold, I'm fucked. Come on, man. The whole fucking troop thing comment. Be careful. See if we get a bounce here. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. We were doing really awesome, and then all of a sudden it just dumped. It missed me by like a quarter of a point. Go to the 1 minute. Needs to reject here. We have 10 seconds. All right, there's some businesses halting over there in Iran. Yeah, I see. Yeah, lower high did stick. You're right. I tried to get a little scalp. They pushed an update out and accidentally added their own $500,000 lines of codes that makes their AI king. Oh. It was copied and released 44,000 times in Python and other languages for free. Oh. So now what? That was like government status. I'm alive, TikTok. I'm alive. Come on, push up a little higher, man. It's gonna do this again? No way. Oh man. What luck is that? What luck is that?
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at that fucking smile on my face.
Trading Go, thank you for the heart. Appreciate it, bro. Get your ass up there. There is a short here too, so just be careful. I might take this out and then short it. Come on, just go up a little higher. It's deciding right now.
Is that you? Hey, and me. Welcome to the cell, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
There's a fair value gap here, but there's a chance it wants to come back down to 243s. Again, guys, I missed it by like a centimeter. Because they charge people $200 for... Oh, that ain't good for business. Good to see you too, Gold. I wish you a better day, bro. I can go up? All right, cool. Thank you. I don't see why this doesn't go up. Like, I want to add into it. There it goes. I might just take this at break even.
According to sources, Venezuela's interim president Rodriguez is to appoint new boards of state-run PDVSA subsidiaries in the US.
Because you see how this keeps rejecting this area? Unless it breaks through, this could go up. I mean, like, if it breaks through, it's going to go up. If it keeps rejecting, it's going to go down. There we go. Okay. You little shit. You know how much money I'd be up right now? Take out my 90. We're going to do one of those today, huh? We're going to be like that today? We're going to be like that today? Wow, this thing's ripping. What's up, Nelly? That was a hard trade right there. I don't know if I was proud the way that went, but it worked out.
Egypt Foreign Minister says we're making intensive efforts to reach a comprehensive deal between America and Iran.
Alright, cool. That was a difficult one. Wow, I'm not in jail! I'm not in jail! I love TikTok! I love TikTok! The most we had in 2 months. Hit that follow button if you're not following, or you're going in the dungeon. You getting smoked daily? What's going on, man? Fine, Miss says finally. Hey, the guy did say just grind it out. Grind it out. Nice, Jordan. I felt like that was going to be the move, but man, that really played some games there with me. You could see it came down to my level and bounced up instead. Oh, why am I in gold? Sorry. All right, 30-second has the reversal. This also has a reversal in the 1. I'm going to try a short. Why can't I ever put my... I guess my indicators are in the way every time. I'm going to do it just with above at 261s will be my TP. I don't blame Bob. I haven't been seeing nothing. You know what the key is? Stop holding. I've been just scalping. And even the scalps, I'm getting like $300 moves with 2 micros. So, this is what I've been talking about on our Soul Collector. The moves are not continuing. Take it early if you're going to trade any of these stuff. Just take it early. Because every time I think it's going like to the moon or down, it's stopping at a weird spot and then reversing and then ends up going in a direction, but I can't handle the swings. Because you know, a swing on this is hundreds of dollars. Well, that's what I've been doing. I've been taking TP very early, going from there. If this breaks the high here, though, I think I'm gonna be wrong. But I think we good. We look up. Yeah, I was just gonna say if it breaks this high, I'm wrong. I'm gonna move my TP to 264. I'm in a short, but I'm scalping, guys. It's still a 12-point move. Still a 12-point move. Here's BB's twin sister? Oh my god. You gotta be. He has to be Cowboy. He has to be. Bro, he has to be Cowboy. You got a twisted mind, Cowboy. You need some serious psychological help. The on 2 counts now. I don't have much drawdown left. What do you win? Make sure you go in small, man. Do 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 do. I love TikTok. Guys, if we get this win, tap the screen 10 times. Tap the screen 10 times. If we get the win. If I lose, you know what? Just unfollow. Just unfollow me. I'm a Cowboy Rock. I know who you are. I saw your IP address.
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
Mallory, thank you for the heart. I am short for a 10-pointer. It did miss me by like 3 points here. Every tick. Yeah, I've been just trying to scalp. %100 untrustworthy. All right, let's see here. We have 2 levels that we can go to, or it can just rip up, and I just missed it by 2 seconds. Let's try to make a lower high. If it does,
Daddy? Is that you? Bad moon! Welcome to the cell, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
tripping. Dude, I'm telling you, the small hits been adding up real quick. See, we're almost out of this trade here. Doo-doo. It's a combine, you're right. If you guys are curious, my 2 funded are locked right now. I'm due for a $4,000 payout again tonight, so I don't want to lose it. So I locked them. I locked it. I'm now on Apex and that other Pro Lucid to try it out. I do have a position open, but I might have to close it. Might have to close it. Dude, my points are just missing by like centimeters, so maybe I have to take them a little faster. I've been right, but I've been missing them by like a quarter of a point. It's twice now. Definitely enjoying April Fools. I'm gonna close this. I don't trust it. Guys, I need like 4 minutes. I gotta go to the bathroom. Can't hold it, I'm sorry. Be right back. Give me 20 likes if you don't mind. 20 likes. Be right back.
Hinto worries that Trump will defang the alliance as the US threatens its exit.
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face. They say money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
Press TV, citing Iran's military spokesman, says Iran will sever the feet of any aggressors who dare to invade.
My bad. It did keep going up, huh? Check out my melody. Dude, it did go to the 309. BV is coming. Yo. Has to be Texas, bro. Thunder. Wow, this thing is ripping. I'm glad I closed it.
Daddy? You?
Are we going to, remember what I said on the daily, guys, this morning? We have a couple levels right here. 450 would be a nice bounce reversal, but it's probably going to fall really bad. I mean, it can wick up extremely high and then deny, so just remember that. It's my the highway. Cowboy is back, bro. You tripping, bro. You still in it for the longs? If I can get a pullback, I'll go long again. Let's see how it reacts. This looks beautiful for the spike up, though, that's for sure. Let's try a little scalp. Dead ass, little scalp. It's my way or the highway. I'm out half. I don't know where this is going to go short term. We could try to do some Fibonacci extension if you guys want, but there's a lot of pullbacks here. This candle here really messes me. I'm not sure. let's say this is the bottom here instead.
We've got more information on the NATO worries that, again, Trump will defang the alliance as the US threatens to exit. So European allies are skeptical that Trump will actually pull the US out of NATO, but they do still fear the president's renewed threats to do so that are eroding the military alliance at a precarious moment. So Trump on Wednesday capped mounting US critiques of the NATO agreement with a suggestion that he was strongly considering leaving the alliance. His comments came after Secretary of State Rubio, typically seen as Washington's NATO defender, chided the alliance for its very disappointing response to the war in Iran.
Um, 500s?
Daddy? Is that you?
So,
Guys, thanks for the follow.
Daddy, chill.
what am I gonna say here?
Daddy? Is that you? Blue Collar USA, welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
I mean, pretend you guys were paying all the bills, right? And you had a bunch of freeloaders inside your house that just don't want to pay. Would you kick them out? Would you kick them out? Answer it truthfully. Or would you let them just sit there? Bird attack, we're on Nasdaq right now. You would kick him out. Family? Question mark? Your family too, right? After a while, gotta let the bird fly, right? Gotta let the bird fly. We're gonna see if this bounces. We're on a the 1.6 extension line, so just be careful.
Is that you? Explain. Welcome to the show, Daddy.
This looks bearish now, guys. I fucking chased it. I'm gonna wait a little bit and see what happens on this cloud. You don't want to kick them out, but like, what if they were like just being a lazy shit? What if they were just like just freeloaded on you, you know? Like, you know they can help, but they're just not. They just don't give a fuck. Say they're well old. Say they're like 30 years old. 30 years old. Finn. Say they're 30 years old. Give them the boot. All right. The reason why I'm saying that, NATO, any of those European countries, are they helping us? We're literally doing everything for them and no help at all. It's time for a wake-up call. Sink or fall, baby. That's why I'm bringing that up. You guys all answered you'd give him the boot. So what's wrong with Trump saying, put your sense into it? Finn? I'm sorry, bro. But they're not helping. They're not helping, right?
Tesla's new car registrations in Italy are up 31.65% year on year in March. Tesla's new car registrations in Italy up 27.35%.
Like, a lot of people are bashing Trump on this, but he's right. He's right. They're not helping at all. This war was unjustified. I think there's some information that we probably don't know about. And it could be
So Iran once again clarifying in a
unjustified.
statement
It
that
could
Trump's
be.
claims that Iran requested a ceasefire are false. It's Iranian TV citing the foreign ministry spokesman.
Regardless if it was unjustified or not, we did something, right? Now, should they still allow us to do, like, should Europe still help in some small ways? Why not? We help them, right? How about regardless of the war? How about what was it? The World Health Organization? Tom Williams. And I'm not trying to be political. I'm just saying money-wise. Money-wise, we as the USA are supporting everything and we're getting nothing in return. So it's like they're living rent-free for too long. Time to wake up, boys and girls, to go to the real world. Go out there and get a job. You know, as time gets on and I get older, USA is the bully most of the time. We're usually the bully most of the time. But that's how it is. Until somebody takes us out, there you go. But all the other countries that we're protecting, I've been to Maine, yeah. Or Maine in the USA.
Daddy? Is that you?
I have no idea if this war is justified. I don't. Sometimes there's a lot of intel that they can't release that either. I don't know if you guys know that. There's just different rules that they have to go through. So the full picture might not be there. Or Israel could just be running us. We don't know. There we go. Nice little breakage of the top here. I kind of want to go in more.
Devon Amore, welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
All I'm saying is, regardless of what's going on, Europe has not put in their fair share. And that's what Trump is talking about, at least for money-wise. And it's our own fault, right? Because the politicians were... Both sides are wrong. You know that. Don't go the Democrat or Republican. Both sides are bad. They've done bad things, both sides. So... And now you kind of wonder, because Trump was like, I'm not ever going to do this, and he did it. So, who's the real puppet master? That's when you start going down the hole, baby. I'm not going to go down that hole, but go ahead, go down that hole. Who's the real puppet master? Because it ain't Trump. There's somebody higher. Usually someone we've never even seen before. Israel definitely has some power behind it. Yeah, I'm not gonna go down the hole, but like there's definitely could be very true, Tom. Yeah. Iran having nukes though? No, they're confirmed to have nukes. Were they gonna use it? No idea. I don't think they got crazy nukes, but they're still nukes. And their technology has proven to be a little more than what we thought. At least as a regular citizen, right? Because they're doing some crazy drone strikes, but I don't think that's Iran. I think they were funneled stuff from other countries, if that makes sense. And if we were really bad guys, we wouldn't even do the boots on the ground. We would just nuke it. What do you guys think? Bullish? Looks bullish. I needed to break out, though. Guys, you need 100 more likes to get the 5K likes. Only 100 more. It's like a slow grind, baby. Go. Okay with this? I'm gonna aim for 331s. Next step
Daddy?
is
that you?
376, but that might take a while. We're gonna see right now, it might break. I'm gonna soul collect that consolidation.
Ed, welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Nico says, I think we bullish the 500s. If we go in a higher time frame, there's a few here, but we got 380s, which is still a long time. If we aren't, then we got to 600s too at the same time. The daily could swipe up. Daily is hard to know until it's complete, but we have room up to 500s or above. When it gets there, it's probably going to be a nasty fall. So just be careful. The problem with your guys' targets is one tweet could send this up 500 points. But I think it's been ripping up from last night's tweet or something. He says he's going to give it 2 weeks and be out. 2 weeks and be out. There we go. Here's the retest. Let's see what happens.
White House official says that Trump is expected to reiterate in his Wednesday address, that's this evening, the 2 to 3 week timetable for ending operations in Iran.
What does that mean? Bad or good? It could be bad, could be good. Let's do an FU stopwatch. Shit.
Daddy? Is that you?
That could be bad, guys. I'm hoping it sticks. I mean, you coming back and alliterating on your time frame, does that... He could come out and say we're going to leave tomorrow. Or he could say we're going to be there for months. I'm going to get stopped out. Yeah. Fucking A, man. I can't... The news is too much. See, I'm trying to hold something that shouldn't be held now. Ah! You guys get me? You guys get what I'm trying to not teach, because I'm learning on the fly with this too. The news is bad. Yeah, I'm not doing nothing after that. No, he didn't say anything. They didn't say anything. He reiterates the 2 to 3 weeks. He can come out. You know how Trump's fishy. Trump can be like, yeah, you know why we're illiterate? Because we're going to get out in 2 days. Breaks false sides, I know. Man. I don't like that news, though. Bad news. Let me try it. I'm going to try a short. Bad news. There you go. What I see here is a, this is called a 3-bar candle. You got a downwards, upwards break of this bullish candle would send it down, and that's what just happened. How much did I lose in that trade? Because I was up 2,000. I guess I lost 2 in a row, right? Care about us. Dude, the might be stupid going in 8. I want to be a little bit aggressive though, and then I'm gonna change this back to 2. Imagine it misses me again by a quarter point. It shouldn't. It should hit. Oh my god. About us. You trade the strat? What strat? Oh, the straddle? Nah, I don't trade that. I want to get it to here. Hey, Alex, what the hell? These guys are funny. 30-second? Yeah, I might have to. I don't know if you guys get upset when I do the 30-second, but it works. It's hard to follow, though. Most of the time, Finn, I can't trade gold on Apex, so we stepped away. But gold's been pretty easy to trade. Like, this should be a short until, you know, 7.99s on gold. You guys can tell me what happens, but... Do you guys miss these colors or no? Or you like the red and white so far? Mr. Bastard. 80 people in here. I love TikTok. I love TikTok. Yeah, I trade anything that moves usually. Occasionally we'll do let's go tickety TikTok.
An Axios reporter on
Buyers
X
coming
says
in.
that Trump spoke on the
Woo!
phone on Wednesday with Saudi Crown Prince.
That was a bullish move too, I think. It closed just below it. Do we short all these pops? All the aggressive pops, short them a little bit. Just a little bit, take some money out. Watch it just moon. J Core says it's gonna pop again. I really just want to. I'm scalping the 30-second just to see.
So in this Axios reporter's post on X, he says that they discussed the war with Iran and
Come
briefly
on!
the talks over a possible ceasefire. Sources of the knowledge.
We'll do one more. That's it. I mean, it was a gamble. I keep gaining money, giving it back. Gaining money, giving it back. I shouldn't be doing that. I should trade normal. We still Gucci though to go short here. If I get a short indication, I'm going in. But it will be a scalp. It will be a scalp. I'm gonna go in again if I get a short. Make sure you guys are trading to your size account. All right. Got a short here. We're looking for around 315s. 313 to be exact. We should hit that. Should hit that. And then we could go to 309s. So let's get out most of it. Let's just stick to our strategy. There we go. And get out one more. Yeah, I'm just gonna scalp the 30 seconds. It's the only thing that's working, guys. I'll try to give you what I'm doing, but it can be quick, so please be careful. Anything long term has been a ball drain. A ball drain. $50. Should I just take it? Whatever. I'm gonna take it. $350-ish. I'm not even like taking the risk, bro. It's better just right now just to grind it out, I think. This isn't a coin, this is Nasdaq futures. So what I'm doing is I have a specific criteria for my order blocks. It's my own little twist. I haven't seen too many people with it. Actually, I don't even know if anybody actually has my exact criteria that I'm doing. But what happens is, you see how my purple candle here, which is my criteria, calling bully blocks, comes up. You see how it's holding it? Got a huge wick, right?
Daddy?
Huge
Is
wick.
that you?
Next candle, you could short it and bring it on down. I've been taking TP a little bit earlier because of the crazy news. And then our stop loss, you have to make your stop loss a little bit wider because of the wicks. That's why you got to size a lot smaller. Don't go in your 4 to 6. Go in your 1 or 2. Just so you can hold it and see. Once it closes above that bully block, then it's wrong. Then it's wrong. But until then, it's still in play. It can wick through. It's just soul grabbing, baby. You know that.
Young Sue, welcome to the Soul Daddy.
Kind of expecting a 400 plus by end of the day. Think so? I do see it going up. Yeah, I really do. It on a daily, it needs to go up there. It needs to go up there. Literally 400. But it can easily go up to, 600. And then what happens? A nice little soul grab wick to the downside. What's the indicator name? Indicator name is in the VIP of my Discord. Go there. You got to sign up for WAP. And then there's a 30-day free trial. After the 30-day free trial, it is $1 a day, 30 for the month. That's the only thing that I'm charging for right now. My work. My work! Many tried to replicate it because they can never duplicate it. You know why? You can't duplicate it because it's my crazy brain into the indicator. Book showing 480s. Yeah, I agree. Like, we can go up there pretty easily. One little tweet. Sends it to the moon, baby. Let me see how far away this place is I gotta go to today. I have work at 6 today. Chicka-bow. Be a bad man. Where is it? Damn, 40 minutes? I gotta leave here at like 2:20. That sucks. You want a really good pullback to go long? If I were to, man, promise this thing grinded so high. So it could come back into this area, like the 280s, and then rip. But it also, like, you never know if it's going to continue back. You would have to trade, like, if there was a hammer candle. So if there's a hammer candle, then you can start to take the longs. But you never really know on that. And then you could probably... Oh, God. Then you could probably drop down and maybe get a better entry that way. Long to the heaven. It does look like it wants to go up, though. I am very happy though. We got another 4K pay. I already locked it. It's already there. I can't go nowhere. There's that fall. I'd rather go down a little bit more, and then we could take the longs. Congrats, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Daddy? Is that you?
So yeah, I'm thinking a dead cat bounce. What a dead cat bounce is? Oh yeah, tweak. You're good. A dead cat bounce is we had this huge bottom up on false hope, and then it tumbles again. A lot of people trade that. Big dogs trade that dead cat bounce. It's usually like a 61% pullback. Let's see. See what it was. Daily time frame. I would say that's the high. 61% back is 646. 646. Now, someone can argue with me that this could be the high and low, and then that would be about around 500. So, we don't know. We go to the 4-hour and try to see. 4-hour charts. We're almost at it, actually, so be careful. 335s is the 61. 78% is 722s. So big difference there. Big difference. You want to learn from this market? This market is crazy. You might never have a market like this again until 10 more years. So learning this, trying to understand this could be a not a waste of time. You might just want to sit it out.
An official, Trump is to tout the success in achieving the goals in Iran and to give operational updates on Iran tonight. Keep in
We
mind,
dumping a bit.
address the nation tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern time.
We got two areas here. We're gonna try to get a banger on this one, all right? If it keeps going, keep going down. The 30 seconds. What's fucking playing out? Really weird. 1 minute though would be like 274s or lower to 250s. No, I don't do stock markets. Tap 299s. I think it goes down. I think it's gonna break. I'm gonna go short. Doesn't make sense unless it comes down. Just be careful because of the news. I'll take TP 284s. 284s, and then I want to see it come down to 274. Just make sure you size properly, you know, it's gonna bounce all over the place. It could come back up to 306 and then fall. 100 people. I love TikTok. I love TikTok. I love TikTok. If you guys aren't following, hit that follow button. What's GFV mean? Dude, this 30-second chart is fucking insane. I think I need to trade off the 30-second. It's 1 minute, we Gucci to go down. No, no, no. I want a TikTok. I want a TikTok. Good faith violation.
Daddy? Is that you?
Yeah, I'm not sure what you mean by that, brother. Yeah, I wanted to slam down. Well, on that 30-second. Yeah, it wasn't. We have some levels here though. Still kind of confident it slams down. If it goes up, it's just news based and sucks. I want to TikTok. Want to TikTok. Want to TikTok. We could get another short entry here. I'll add into it and then we'll but we gotta wait. We gotta wait. I'll let you know when I'm adding more. I want to rock. I'm looking at... Okay, we're going to move up a little bit higher here because we got some pin bars. About 310s. I'm going to short again, but I'm going to take some TP quick. Get some profit, and then continue with this short. Because I think we do fall, but I want to take TP as it goes. We'll build a little buffer. That makes sense. If it fucking hits. Crazy, man. You can't, like, go up too high. Going a little further than I want to, over and over again. Didn't I say this yesterday? It was doing that.
Daddy? Is that you? Baby cat, welcome to the soul.
April Fools. Webble has a weird thing where if you trade on unsettled funds, where profit or not, it gives you... Oh, you're talking about what you can... If you want to get away from that, I want to go in here. Shit. Tell me, no, I want to go in higher. The 50? Let's see. See how it rejects? Could be bullish, but I'm looking on a short time frame here. Can't even fucking move this. Might not be good. If you go to a cash account, Andrew, you can get around that. But we use prop firms around here, so we don't have that issue. There's always possibilities of breaks. Full levels here, though. See how it's like kind of rejecting it?
Daddy? Is that you?
If you wanted liquidity, it would be 326 to 331, and then you would have to go back more in time to look for that. You could probably just do like the hourly and see. See how the hourly is rejecting it hard? But if we were gonna go hourly, I would say it needs to break 340s. That's why I think long term will go up. But I'm looking for these little
French Navy chief says
pullbacks.
a number of Chinese vessels going through the Strait of Hormuz is not enough to restore normal traffic flows.
Bearish. I know. I love TikTok. I love TikTok. I don't know why. Did I do anything different today? Oh, I did post a 10-second highlight clip before I went live. I just didn't want to fill my page with nonsense.
The French Navy chief says
Less
China will
language,
probably
too. I
want
have
to
been better
engage more
today, right?
directly in the debate and show its
120. I
impatience
love
on the closure of the
TikTok.
Strait of Hormuz.
I love TikTok. That's what did it, right? It says, this guy really loves TikTok. Let's promote him. He is really a good promoter. I love TikTok. Hit that follow button.
The French Navy chief says France is trying to bring several countries together at the political level to determine conditions under which the Strait of Hormuz can be reopened in a lasting way.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We're getting bullish and bearish news here. Bullish and bearish at the same time. I could be freaking wrong. And then again, we'll just be spinning our wheels.
The French Navy chief says the military would ultimately be needed to monitor the Hormuz Strait reopening.
All right, bearish. Fall. Yeah, it's bullish, but then you got your bearishness, little jabs. Needs military control. I love TikTok.
The French Navy chief says that there is no evidence at this stage that the Strait of Hormuz has been mined.
That's a little bullish. But go ahead, go test it out. Mr. Bastard's in control here. Come on, the water's safe. I promise. It's only dark and lurky. I promise there's no mines. Just try it out. You know, if you don't like it and you hit one, you can always get out. You might fly out. Mr. Yogurt said, blink if the TikTok CEO was pointing a GUN at you. Oh my God. These bots are relentless. They're probably watching to see if I lose this trade. Okay, we got another level here. We're still respecting this level at the same time. Fall, baby, fall. We got too much accumulation up here. We need to pull back. Low key not in this anymore? You're not low key anymore. Oh, we got a soul collector here too. No!
IMF says heads of the IEA, IMF, and World Bank have agreed to form a coordination group to maximize the response to the impacts of the war in the Middle East.
There's a lot of bullishness, guys. As soon as I close, this is falling. Your soul is mine. I'm just holding it a little bit longer. I want to see what happens. Your soul. You know it's coming down. I promise you. There is another area of interest here. We'll see. I ultimately want this 274s. Think it could rip. Just like that, guys. A little bitty trade. Comes a disaster. I think I'm a little bit more reckless because I have a $4,000 payout coming today. All right, blue collar. Later. At 3. See. Yeah, I locked out. Those funds are locked, baby. Gold? I think it's been going with MNQ a little bit now. Definitely could. If these higher lows don't break the high, then yeah, you could. Unless you get a double top. You gotta wait until you get it. Oil could move up. Add 300. Nah, I'm on my Apex stuff. I don't want to hit that $1,000 drawdown. I'm still green, so me. Dun, dun. My generation. Generation. The pullbacks are kind of getting eaten up here. Doing higher lows, higher lows. We got to see if it rejects this area. If it rejects this area, we might have a little bit of a shot here. Yes. You need to have a right count size too. So my DCAing is usually like because I have a lot of wiggle room to go in. Like, yeah, I have $1,000 loss here, but I'm also up, 2,000. So I can risk it a little bit. And I have a feeling that this is going to fall. If I'm wrong, we'll get out and then we'll just make it back. DCAing is very tricky. And I don't really recommend it too much. Don't recommend it too much because you're adding to losing trades. Now, I'm scalping. If this thing started ripping up, we cannot DCAing because that's when it starts soul collecting and everybody just gets ripped. It won't stop. This isn't ripping up yet. You see how it's just in a consolidation zone? So, that's more of experience. Do I want a $300 loss on each one? No, I don't. And to be honest with you, my entry here was more off of news. It's like, what am I doing? Just stick to my game plan, you know? So I do have some emotional things I need to control. Impulsiveness. 10K likes. I love TikTok. Thank you, Stevie. Yeah, I need the dip. You see how it's slowing down? I need the dip. 61% is right there. We get to 78. I would be pretty happy. Yeah. Ooh, there it goes. Let's see. I don't want to turn it negative either, you know? So you're tapping forever? Really? 130. And you're still not up there, Mr. Bastard. Mr. Bastard's fingers are super strong. Super strong. It could have been the dip. You're right, Nico. We'll see. We'll see. I would feel better if that 30-second actually did cross this line. The soul collect. You'll get nuked though. All we need is one bad tweet. Let's go. It is. I did want it to reek this 331s, but not doing it. Ready for the downfall? Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. See, like we keep getting bullish bearishness here. $115 people. I love TikTok. I love TikTok. Is that a chicken? Oh my god. Is it really? This is my... Have a drink on me. Ocean breeze. Let's go. To pieces. I'm bleeding. Bleeding. Mutilation out of sight. Time, losing my sight, losing my mind. Wish somebody would tell me I'm fine. Losing my sight, losing my mind. Wish somebody would tell me I'm fine. Hopefully. Really fighting this area though, guys. Losing my sight, losing my mind. Wish somebody would tell me I'm fine. Alright. Dying. Gotta look up, see what doctor it is today. Two, 4, 5, 3. Losing my sight. Ah! Ah! Next killer entry, John Wick. Are you gonna snipe us, bro? Tightening up for the move. Ooh. Yeah, no, he's getting the old slapperoo in the face. On the round side. Head and shoulders on the 30. Hey, Danish, you're gonna get smacked too, bro. I don't know if you're a part of them. If you aren't, then just leave it be. I already blocked them. Eh, 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 eh. Got 3 minutes until 1. Look how many bullish and bearishness keeps going up and down. Up and down. That's dating. There is a big meeting at 1:30 though. I love TikTok. I love TikTok. Hit that follow button. Hit that follow button. Dude, if I go like 20 micros right now, you think I can get out at 319s? Because it's going to hit 319. Thank you for the share. Nah, I'm gonna hold it a little bit. Best things is wrestling. We should fall, honestly, the way this is acting. Look at the 5-minute. In profit still, not halfway down to drawdown? No. It's end of day drawdown. So technically I still have $1,000 plus another 1,000. So I still have 2 G's to actually lose. Yeah. Daddy still got wiggle room. I don't recommend it though. Like a normal market, I would not be trading like this. I really wouldn't. Pretty sure we should fall though. We need this higher low to break 316s. Too much bad news in between. And then you just have Europe talking about their own little thing. You need the USA. You need the USA. We do have some marks that we need to break through, though. That's the problem. So this is going to be bullish again. And then hopefully we can get another... I kind of do hope this breaks. I don't hope it goes far, because it would hurt, but... liquidity grabbing here would be easier for this to fall. Yeah, if it fit, yeah. I agree. Now it's getting eaten up to go short. So this is looking more juicy. More juicy, daddy. It's just fantasy.
Daddy? Is that you? Eden! Welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
I'm just a... See, my 219s would have been a nice little trade. Rio, you should shut your mouth before you get banned tonight. Just kill the man, put a gun against his head. Now he's dead. Dude, will this just liquidity grab already and then go down? Playing with my heart. Playing the April Fools on us. There is a big meeting at 1:30. There it goes. Let's go. Now can we fall and not continue up and kill me? This is on in. Let's make sure. I want to try to stay green here. I don't want to go too much higher. Mama! Yikes! That was a 232. There's only 8 points, but I really don't want it to continue up too high. Shit! Ooh. Oh. Come on. If it can break this 328, I'm fucking Gucci, bro. Come on. If it keeps going up, I'm fucked. Because we're going up to 377s. We're overbought. We're overbought. Come down. Show them. Show the people. I'm at basically... I'm at almost like basically break even right now. I don't care though. My live accounts are good, baby. It was a hard day to trade anyway. Oh, baby, why are you still going up? Oh, just gonna get out of the zone. Dude, this thing is just fucking ripping up, man. Need to fail here. No news. No more further news either. What's it up to now? It's 347. Did hit 348. I just needed to break through this. We break through this fair value gap. We should be okay. To me. I think the 1 minute gave it to me. I don't think it did. No soul grab in the 1. It would need to come down hard to make another soul grab. Yeah. Andrew, I get you, bro. It is a pain in the ass. I gotta stop trading the news and then just trade my style and then well, obviously you trade the news, right? But I meant to say like don't base it off the news. My one short was based off the news and now look at me. We had bearishness the whole time. It wasn't holding and then all of a sudden it rips up. Yeah, the 30 second EMA held, but like, what the fuck? Who's really trading the 30-second like that? Nothing else is here. It just keeps grinding. You know, I preached this the whole entire morning. You know, let's take profit early. Let's take a profit early. We'll get it. What was that? Wait, is Friday closed? The market for Good Friday?
I'll have that news reporting from the Iran Foreign Ministry that the Supreme Leader is in good health and may appear in public soon.
It is, huh? We might have to do the giveaway. We might have to do the giveaway tomorrow for Easter giveaway. I'll post it in Discord though, and you guys will give it some breathing room. Andrew, props is the way to go, you know? In my opinion. I need this to reject here. If it doesn't, what a bitch. Your luck, you probably will get it, Mallory. Okay. So then we'll do Thursday. What's the hours for Thursday? Regular market. Okay. $50K account Easter giveaway. We use Apex and Lucid. Apex is a $35 start for a 50K account. If you pass, it's like another $100 to pay for the activation, so it's $135. If you're a good trader, you can go to Lucid and pay the $90 flat. And then that's the only one-time fee. Each one has different rules, so make sure you read it. And use code BULLY, all caps, BULLY. Every time that you guys use my code, it gives me more opportunity to give back to you guys. Yeah, of course you guys are helping me out too, but I want to help you guys out too. Antonio's like my personal AI assistant. But we use Lucid and Apex. It looks like I'm out of jail. I love I almost said Top Step. I love TikTok. What do you mean I should make VIP? In my Discord, if you join it, there's a VIP section. You live too? What does that mean? We need to break this fair value gap for this to be anything with strength. No, I'm short. I'm in a very bad short now, but I'm trying to see if this banks on falling. We got so much room to VWAP. Where's VWAP? For the 1 minute. But it's gotta do some tricks. Yeah, you can't go wrong with either. Even Apex really stepped up their game. I haven't got a payout with the new system yet. I'm trying my best. We're gonna get there though. Lucid though, I got another 4K. I'm bleeding Lucid, bro. I'm bleeding Lucid. I mean, the lower high stuck. Lower high stuck. We got 2 anchors. We do need to break this fair value gap. If we do not break this fair value gap, this is like the OG one. If we do not break this fair value gap, then we are toast. Guys, hit that follow button. Give me 20 likes. 20 likes.
Israeli broadcaster says that Washington and Tel Aviv have prepared plans to escalate war in case
350?
negotiations fail.
That's
saying
where I
Israel
should
does
have
not
been
believe
fucking
an
short, to
agreement
be
will
honest with you.
reached between Iran and the US.
Yes. We'll take a Lucid for example. $90, give or take. Use code BULLY, all cash, BULLY. Check out. I like the Flex account, Lucid Flex. It's a 50K account. You got to make $3,000 without losing $2,000. You can only make for the evaluation stage 2 days to pass. You need a $1,500 first day, and then you need to make another $1,500 the second day. That's if you want to pass it in 2 days. You can take as long as you want, as long as you don't make more than 50% in 1 day. Once you pass, you have to make 5 days, any separate days, of $150 or more. Once you do that, you can take a payout. Once you take a payout, though, you can only request 50% of your profit. Here's the gimmick, though. Once you take 50% out, your account moves to $0 flat. So now,
quoting an Israeli source, saying that our concerns are
Daddy,
growing
Daddy,
that Trump
that
will be
you?
satisfied with the operation's achievements and declare it over.
the only concern is if you take profit too early, like a payout. Say you had made $750 and you took out $300. Now you only have $300 left in your account to lose. So it's better to get a buffer. At least get up to. I personally like the 4,000 mark. Take 2 G's out, leave 2 G's in. Rinse and repeat. You got a buffer and you still get a large payout at the same time.
Daddy?
You know, usually
that
making
you?
4K is not. It's not difficult for me. But if you guys want to grind out and get those payouts soon, go ahead. The choice is yours. The choice is yours. That was a weird kind of news to say. Israel said, our concerns are growing that Trump will be satisfied with the operation's achievements and declare it's over. Israel doesn't want it to be over, guys. They needed to fall too. Israel's gonna make some shit up, watch. Israel's gonna force our hands again.
Daddy, chill.
Think so? I think so. Look at all these wicks, man. Fall. We gotta beat this OG here. This is the OG. Short dog. I like your name. Short dog. It just keeps fucking grinding. Pretty annoying. I don't want to sit in this shit. I can walk away right now, green.
Voice noise disconnected.
Walk away green and not blink an eye right now. You guys don't know what we're doing? Just read his name. Shout, dog. Dude, just go. Hello. I'm letting the hype of a payout rush me, I think. Bro, take your time. Take your time. I keep trying to tell you guys this, right? If you wait an extra 2 days, guess what? You're still 2 days richer. It's better than restarting. I know it's hard to take that in, but it is. In hindsight, we should have cut this and went long. Of course, Mallory. Of course. But dude, this looks short as fuck right here. This looks short. I'm banking to see if this collapses here though. But a lot of soul grabbers have been failing. Just what it is. Been failing a lot. So you guys are saying bullish and I'm saying bearish in my head. Literally, that Trump statement was bearish as shit. And then you got Israel saying they're worried that they're going to end it quick. I don't know. Daddy's been doing this a long time. That's pretty bearish in my opinion. Yeah, it could just be the grind too. Could be the grind too. I mean, I could close this and just leave it be. We'll still be green for the day. Like, I can short this real quick and just take TP. Yeah. Gotta trust myself. Problem is, I don't trust myself. Could be a grind all day. Look at the 5-minute, dude. You don't tell me that looks weird? Look at this. You don't tell me that looks weird? Wick City? Apex 25K? No, I always recommend 50K. Make sure you read the rules, though. It's a 1K drawdown on the 5K per day, the 50K for Apex a day. Yeah. But it also looked like it was going to fall here, too. Trying to go below the cloud. Come on. We just needed to close down here. You can at least show some weakness. Show the weakness, baby. Show them why you're alpha, daddy. Show, dog. Uh-oh. See, this is what I didn't want. See how I like clearly reject that? We need to rip through. We need this to rip through. This is the OG one, okay? This needs to break. If this breaks, we can get a nice pullback. Remember, we got some kind of meeting in 5 minutes, a BOC meeting minutes. I'm pretty sure that is pretty heavy. Talking about interest rates and stuff. So the OG one, right? If we go in the 30-second chart, right? This candle here is what grabbed liquidity, right? That's gap was created. So when it creates the fair value gap on that liquidity grab, that was banks doing that. That's right, Mr. Bastard. That was banks doing that. So that fair value gap is extremely strong. So if that can break, you're going to get the real downfall, okay? But a lot of times, if it doesn't break, you know, it'll chill here.
The meeting minutes.
We're going to see right now, though. Knock, knock, knocking on Bully's door. Got you, Queen. Anytime you guys got questions, just ask a mother effer. Alright? Taking a nap. Uh-oh. It's gonna play around. It's gonna diddy around here. It's gonna go like this. I need a clean break. We got 4 minutes until this huge news, though, so we're gonna find out soon. Easy as that. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. We'll get out. We'll be break even for today. Not a big deal.
US stocks gains and Dow Jones up 1%.
Ramers hopes it's going up.
And US stocks extend gains.
What's the
Dow
difference
Jones up
between a
1%.
dot and a buy or a sell signal cloud? Okay, so the cloud signal one is better between 9:30 and 11. Very strong. It has volume. Okay. The dot is the bully blocks. Bully blocks is institutional orders. So what happens is the dots could be stronger if it depends on the pullback. So the bigger the pullback,
Daddy?
the
Is that
stronger
you?
those order blocks can be. Hey, Susan, eat a pee-pee, okay? It's rejecting a lot. We're gonna see. If you need more help, Morrissey, just ask me in chat. I'll help you out in Discord, whatever. Also, if you're curious on any of those, there's a description of each indicator under bullies indicators. There's a whole list of it. Just go into each one and explains it. She was crypto queen. Let's see. She's the White House chief of staff and the first woman to hold the role. That's hilarious.
One minute ago now to give the Bank of Canada meeting minutes.
Knocking on heaven's door. All right. We got about 45 seconds, so we're about to find out now. I honestly, guys, in my opinion, I feel like this run-up was just to get better liquidity to fall. We'll see if I'm right or wrong real soon. I'm in a short, but it could rip up. We're about to have crazy news in about 30 seconds. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door.
10 seconds.
10 seconds. Come on, OG.
Bank of Canada debated oil short long-term CPI effect. Too early to tell. And Bank of Canada members agreed they could take time to see how war has evolved.
Is that it?
Also from the Governing Council, they agreed to keep options open, and Governing Council agreed they would need to take a risk management approach to monetary policy. Governing Council agreed that they could
This
therefore
OG
take
still
some time to
held,
see how
guys.
the war in
Crazy.
Iran evolved and what it meant for the outlook. They felt that they had some flexibility given inflation was close to target and core measures suggested limited pressures. That they also felt in the near term risks to growth looked tilted to the downside, while the oil price shock represented additional upside risk to inflation. They
Bearish.
felt higher gasoline prices combined with still elevated inflation essentials could push up inflation expectations. And they acknowledged public perception of inflation remained high after 2022 spike, and the gasoline prices have a large impact on households' assessment of inflation.
We should be dumping right now. We should be dumping. Give it a second. That was bearish as shit. I couldn't give you any more bearish news than that. Well, I could, but you know what I mean.
So we have put out the Bank of Canada meeting minutes on the feed for you to read through.
Super bearish. They're literally saying that inflation is a real problem now, especially because oil. Gas prices are ripping up. Ripping up. This is really going to hurt the working person right now. Their debt should be going up. Trump needs to figure out something fast, or we're all going to have at least a mini recession for sure. Finally breaking that OG. There you go. There you go. Oil's not going to react to that. It's going to be more of the economy. We're saying the economy is real risk right now because of the oil prices. And you can see it's ripping. We're having mixed reports though on oil. You got one report saying we're about as much as we were last year, but not extra. And then you got another report saying that the outlook of the future, we are going to struggle for a little bit, even if we recover right now. So, pretty bearish news. Here's the 50% of the smaller pullback. 50% of the smaller pullback. If that doesn't hold, then we Gucci. We're Gucci if this doesn't hold right here. 318s. Knock, knock, knocking on Bully's door. I. Told you something wasn't right, boys and girls. I know we shouldn't have held it like that. But it wasn't right. This was a manipulation grind to do what? Can anybody answer? Oh, we in the dungeon, baby. Anybody know why? Crap, exactly. We need, the banks needed liquidity. And what happens once they get that liquidity? Now the souls are trapped. Souls are trapped. They can now take your money and now rip it out. There was no reason for this to grind up. We had bearish news the entire time. They were waiting for the BOC meetings, which they probably already had insider trading, correct? Insider trading runs it up. Just to get a better deal, to drop it, because they're all on the same page. It's not retail versus retail, it's them versus us. Start thinking like them, not like us. We're stupid. Hopefully it goes down lower, but we did hit this day of mark here. They knew. They definitely knew. Take the L here. Let's see.
Daddy?
I think it goes lower eventually. It's just a dead cat bounce. It's going to go up again, but it should fall. Let's look at the 5-minute and see what the cookie did. We're below it. We're below it. First time below. First time below close. What usually happens is it'll close, rip up, and then continue down. If you want to go in the 5-minute time frame, dude, we got room to go. 210s. We could even play it safe at 252s. Bouncing off that 61s. Let's go. Get the move. Let's get it going. I got you, Mr. Bastard. You ready? Even if I'm red. Hopefully it drops fast. Gotta get off soon, guys. A lot of things to do today. Bow, bow. Could rip up though a bit, so up to you guys what you want to do. It could go up to 334s and then fall. You hear the hype music? Yo, 160 people in here. I love TikTok. I love TikTok. I'm gonna hold a little bit. TikTok jail is done. Guys, hit that follow button. I'm even happy with $300 down. It's okay. Here we go. We're gonna rip up. See if we can get this reversal here. If we get this reversal here at 334s, we get you guys in again. But it is rejecting the 50% here. We're rejecting the 50%. How long I've been trading for? I'm not happy to say, but over 15 years. And what's the most profitable year you ever had? Oof. See, I've traded crypto. I'm well over the 100K a few times. But I do like my futures consistency payouts. Those feel better, you know? Spending like cash. I mean, I've had 20K. I don't know. I mean, last year it did pretty good. We're probably more towards like, I don't know. I don't even know. I don't want to get you fake numbers here. It was between like 70 to 90K I made last year. But I have to separate it from my crypto stuff. I'm trying to calculate it in my head. My tax guy put it all together. Oh, payouts? I've had 10K payouts. I've done 50K months if that's what you're asking for futures. I've done 50K months. Bro, you guys, a lot of you guys were here for the Soul Collector era. Bro, we're killing it. Killing it. I'm pretty sure we're on track to that now. This month alone, 30 days. Payout wise, cash in my account, I think we're over. I mean, I took out 8K just in the past 10 days. Today will be my 8K in 10 days. I do post my payouts though. Yeah, last time I did kill the markets. And then I had a little bit of a struggle between, what was it, like October, November till December. So like, you know, there was a good 3 months. I had a really hard time. And I was trying to be brutally honest with you guys. You know, it's not always apples and not apples and oranges, peaches and cream. I don't know what the hell I'm trying to say. Rainbows and butterflies. This is, well, I locked out 2 accounts today to make sure I get my 4K payout tonight at 6 p.m.
They say money
Yep.
can't buy happiness. Look at that fucking
Exactly.
smile on my
So,
face.
you know, sometimes you have your bad streaks.
They say money can't buy happiness. Smile on my face.
Sometimes I'm
They
having
say money can't
shit
buy happiness.
days.
Look at that fucking
I mean, I should have a lot larger payout this week. I should have an $8,000 payout. But you guys remember 2 days ago, I had a fucking really bad loss. I recovered half of it. Thank you for yum yum ice cream. Thank you, Daily. Daily's the best. You're out, Walter? We're almost there. If this can't hold, we going down. Whoa! Gonna make it. No, we're not gonna take it. Last day of the week? No, we have tomorrow, don't we? We're gonna take it. Guys, 127 people in here. Hit that follow button. Well, I don't like that double bottom, though. I need this to drop really bad. We don't want it just to chill here. Okay, I'm not liking this. Could actually get along here. Yeah, all right. I'm going to go deep in long. Let's get this money back real quick. 61% I'm going for. 319s. It definitely probably falls, but let's get this put a little money here. Yeah, we should be good. Going a little aggressive. Let's get back what we just lost, and then we'll call it. How long I trade? Each day is different. Today I have work. I did get off of work and went to bed at 5 a.m. So I'm trying to do 2 hours a day. We've been on 3 hours. This fucking thing does this. I'm gonna scream. Come on. We should get a 50. Should spike up even more, but we'll see. It's at least gonna bounce, but it can fall further. Come on, don't do this to me now. We got the bounce. If this starts to fail, then I'm wrong, and it's gonna keep going really sour. I just want a little bounce here. We're still Gucci. Another one right here, though. 297s. We're doing 20. There we go. Another one. Let's go. Let's do this. Pop up. Pop up. Is it? Damn, Daily. It was a hard week, brother. Beat yourself up too much. Yeah, I'm just gonna close it. This is intense. It's gonna pop up a little bit. Confident. More like a double bottom. We got 2 long signals here for at least on this microness. the micro pullback. There's no reason why this shouldn't go up to the 50% here. We are in a downtrend, yes. We got 2 levels here. It's still holding. There is one more level down here at 298, but that's probably going to burn me pretty bad if it goes down there. Still good. Come on. Come on. Ah, what a bitch, bro. Rip back up. Rip back up. Any further than that, no, I got to close it. I went against my original fucking theory, huh? There's the 1 minute. Did this last time too, remember? Where was it? It was the 30-second one, though. Did the same fucking thing. Right here. Right here. Same style. But on the 1. Practice a little bit. Maybe wait a week. You know, paper count it. Test it out. Give me the 50. Yeah, it bounced off nicely. But, man, if this doesn't hold, it's going to be really bad.
According to the Financial Times, Trump threatened to stop weapons for Ukraine unless Europe joined Hormuz coalition.
Come on. I don't need Trump news right now. I don't need Trump news right now. Oh, yeah, I'm right here. This is going to be a nice penny if it's right. You know, we got the 1 minute showing, yes. 30 seconds, a little bit extended. It should be Gucci.
Daddy? Is that you? That's a long name to say. Joseph.
We have
Welcome to the
tested
cell,
the
Daddy.
article on the feed for you to read through.
You should be good, man. This is 2
Trump
longs.
threatened to stop
3
supplying
longs if you want to
weapons
be
Ukraine
honest.
in order to pressure European allies to join a coalition that were willing to reopen the Strait of Hormuz, according to people briefed on the discussions. So 3 officials familiar with the discussion
Dude,
said that
come
Trump
on.
responded by threatening to stop supplies.
You know, I
to
can't
the
win with
URL,
Trump.
NATO's weapons procurement.
I literally get
troops for
in
Ukraine funded
and
by European
news.
nations.
News instantly. We're still on the 1 minute. Let's see what happens. This guy is killing me, dude. He's killing me. Fucking killing me. So annoying. This trade would have put us up pretty nice, but I messed it up. $30 seconds still good. If we get another entry, 3rd time's a charm, I'll even add into it. Fine. No, I'm gonna be done trading after this. I already have a 4K payout waiting, so I'm like not as worried. Oh, there we go. Okay. It's just not holding though. That's what's pissing me off. This is 4 times now. 4 times or 5th time. Trump's threatening Europe now.
According to Israeli Broadcasting Authority, citing an Israeli source, said negotiations between the US and Iran are not progressing positively.
Shut the fuck up. Bro, I can't. This guy, he won't stop talking. He won't stop talking. What's crazy is that I would have been right on that first one, right, guys? It is what it is. I wanted to get this nice spike so I can end the day. Come on. If you stop talking now, let's go. Rip it up. We're in a very good spot here. Keep going. 5th time's a charm. It should. It should test it, but it's not continuing. I don't have enough time to hold this either. I gotta get off soon. This is crazy. If it does what it did this before, I'm gonna fucking... If it does what it did up here, I'm gonna scream. Where's the 1 and 5? Bring it down a bit. 5-minute did finally crack, huh? We're in a long-term downtrend, but this should rip up a tiny bit to get souls and come back. Come on, Soul Daddy. The reason why I'm getting angry, guys, is this guy, he just keeps talking. The problem is it's not beneficial information. It's just blabbing now. It's just blabbing now. Nothing's holding. I don't want to go in too heavy. If it comes up a little bit, I'm going to short. It's not holding. It's not holding up. I should have probably waited up here to short. It's not holding. If this holds, it's going to be crazy. I'm going to be very upset. Yeah. 5-minute is bearish. I have to adapt. It's not holding. It's not holding. Five-minute is not holding. Going really deep. We can come down to 126. We'll collect here in the 30-second. 200. There's a couple areas here. We got 257s. Come on, just dump. Dump on me now. It wasn't working, just dump. Okay, there's an orange. All right. 700 right there. Peace. Ugh! Sorry, guys. This market's it's not easy to trade. We're up about 200 a count, so. Jesus.
Daddy?
Sorry
Is
if it
that
messed
you?
you guys up. This should have bounced 100%. About 5 times it should have bounced. Trump came out and said, no, no, no. We could come down to 257s, though. I really got to get off, guys.
So just following the comments from Israeli broadcasting authorities, the negotiations between the US and Iran are not progressing positively. Just keeping that on the S&P 500 moving towards the downside.
Guys, I gotta get off. I'm sorry. I got a doctor's appointment, and then I gotta go towards work. I really want to stay just to trade this, but I gotta get off. Because I feel like we're about to get a long row soon. And we can monster this bad boy. But we got a 4K payout guaranteed. Working on the other accounts. We're positive still. Not the best trading, though, again, today. Very hard to trade, guys. I'm trying my best. Usually, Daddy can see it a little better. I did see it, but that little baby pullback, I should have just left it alone. I should have left it alone. I wanted to be greedy, get that easy spike, which should have happened. Trump spoke, and then it down fell to exactly what I originally wanted. So, a little difficult. I might be able to get a serious bounce here. That's why I'm like waiting. I'm gonna start taking my stuff off though. Blessings of my life. Stopping the music too. I ain't joking. I gotta go soon. While we're waiting for this move, let me wrap it up. Free Discord in the bio. And it looks like we got a TikTok jail, guys. We're up 150 people in here. Hit that follow button. I was in TikTok jail for a while. We kept screaming, I love TikTok. And it worked. We'll have to do it again. In my Discord, I'll be dropping. I'm going to think about it tonight. I'll be dropping when I'll be releasing that Lucid account for Easter. Right? Easter giveaway. And we'll probably do it tomorrow. So pay attention in Discord. I'll do it at everyone, and then, you know, it's going to be the same thing. Like to follow, and then tomorrow we can do maybe we'll do the top one again, can get an extra slot. And then VIP members get an extra slot too, because they're loyal and they pay, so they got to get something extra, you know what I mean? Wow, this thing is dropping. I should have listened to my original thing, huh? So, free Discord in the bio. To enter will be a reaction. Wish you luck, guys. I don't think anybody wants to give you luck today, Morrissey. Still Gucci right now. So I'm like waiting 2 more seconds. If it can hold here, we're good to go up. Pain in the ass today, man. I'm not really happy the way today went. I was right, and then I just kind of gave it back. All right, this is kind of closing below unless it rips up. If not, then it's going to keep going. 232s. No, you're not cooked. I'm waiting to see what happens. There's a couple more levels below. I knew Israel was going to say this. Guess what Israel just said? Israel, negotiations between the U.S. and Iran are not progressing positively. They're talking shit. They're talking shit. They're talking shit. I mean, there's a 30-second one here, but do you really want to trust that? I don't know. Fucking holding though. 202. That's what I was thinking. Things gonna rip up a bit. We're gonna miss it. Whatever. We're positive today. I gotta go, guys. I will be on tomorrow, same time, 10:30, because I work until 5 a.m. So I gotta get some sleep. Other than that,
Holy Bear says deuces.
good trading with you guys, and thank you so much for 15K likes. And we're out of TikTok jail. Talk to you guys in a bit. I'll message in Discord if I see anything. Adios.